Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to connect a JDBC with MySQL. So first of all, for connect your JDBC, first you check have you already downloaded the Java. So open your CMD and type here Java hyphen version. If you go to this type of output, it's confirmed that you have already downloaded it. So now go to the connect JDBC. So for connection, first I want to show you show my SQL code which I have written in MySQL workbench. You can see it, and I can also show you my project. This is my project, the hotel management system. So for to connect JDBC, so first of all you go on the Chrome and the search for the MySQL connector. You will first get this type of interface. Click on second one, and after clicking on it you will go to this. Here is the JDBC driver for MySQL connector. Download it. I have already downloaded it, so I am going to leave this. You must download it from here. Okay, and after that minimize, and for connect it after downloading, go on your compiler, go on your code editor. Like I am using NetBeans. So in this library section, here is my hotel management project. If you are using VS Code, then when you create your folder for your project, you have you have make folder name libraries. Okay, and in libraries, right click on it, and here is the three options. First the add project, second the add library, and the third is the add jar folder. So click on it and select your jar folder where you have downloaded. I have downloaded in the download folders. Then in download folders, search your jar file and select it and open it. And after uh, open, you will see this type of interface. Here I have inserted MySQL connection in Java, and here the jar file. Okay, and after inserting it, you will see your data from the front end go and store in the backend in your database. Like this is my project, I am going to run it. You can see this is my project. Now click on S. Here is the here is the username and the password to enter. So I have forget it. So I am going to uh, check in my workbench. What is the password? Here is my password. This is my username is admin and the password is 12345. So I am going to type it there for login. The username is admin and the password was 12345. Okay, the password is 12345. Now, if your jar is successfully inserted in the that library, then when you click on login, it automatically connect with your database, because I have written to connect. I have written some code for connect it. So uh, j- uh, the jar file JDBC connector act as a bridge to connect our database from the front end by using codes. Then I am going to click on login. You can see I log in my account, and here I can add employee, add room, and add drivers. Here the other option to add new customer form, the room, the department. I'm going to show you after clicking. While from here I can add my new customer. Go back, and here I can check the room, and here all these data are coming from the MySQL database. Here already all things are stored. They are simply fetching. This is done by the help of JDBC connector. I can also add employer. Uh, I am going to show you the add a room. Okay, so only adding the room only can done by the admin. So add the room. Here I can add a room. First of all, I am going to show you how many rooms are available. So from here, select it and run, execute. First of all, use this because I have opened this after long time. So first of all, you run this command, use hotel management system. This is my database name. Okay. After that, select start from room to see the how many rooms are there. You can see there are 101 to 105 rooms are, and now I am going to add one rooms. Okay, so I am going to put to the room number 106 available price. I am going to 25,000. This is a double bed. Okay, add room. New rooms added successfully. Okay, and now I am going to go and check it. Now again run this command. There for now this is 1 to 5. Now after running it, you can see 106 room added, and the price is 2500. So all these are done by the help of the JDBC. If you are want to add if you want to add JDBC in your VS Code, then the process are same, all things are same. But if you want to bring the video on that, then comment, like, subscribe these videos, and at least make 10 to 20 likes. Then I will bring a new video on the VS Code connectivity with the JDBM. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.